we are looking at what is this acronym. What does it stand for and how do you say it? I like to pronounce it as Ffxiv, Ffxiv. This stands for Final Fantasy 14. FF is for Final Fantasy, an online video game. The rest is a Roman numeral for 14, X being 10, I being 1, V being 5. 1 less than 5, that because the I is before the V, so 1 less than 5 is 4, plus 10, XIV, 14. You could say it as FFXIV, or Final Fantasy 14, or I like to say it as Ffxiv. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting and often confusing words and names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.